Searching for the right physical therapist can be difficult, but if you know what questions to ask, you'll be amazed at how easy it is to find the perfect solution. With a few simple tips, you can be instantly confident with your choice. We caught up with a local expert in physical therapy to gain insight on finding the right fit that will make a huge impact.
A lot of people ask how to find out where you can find the best physical therapist. Well, you want to find out if the physical therapist has a great reputation. You want to make sure that you read at least 6 reviews, because this really will give you comfort before you make your decision. Ask your friends and family if they've had physical therapy, and ask them about their experiences. Lastly, ask for their recommendations. At our clinic, a large percentage of our referrals come from word of mouth. We enjoy an excellent reputation, and our patients are often our best source of advertising. You want to know, is the physical therapist personable? Is this therapist someone you will feel comfortable with? You'll feel much better about your decision if you find a professional who is understanding and approachable. In order to design the best individualized program for each patient, it is extremely important that our patients feel free to talk with us and express their goals, express their wishes and desires, as well as talk about any issues which may have contributed to their physical deficit. Honest communication with your physical therapist is essential, so it will be to your benefit to find a therapist you feel comfortable talking with. You also want to know, is the physical therapist up to the latest advancement in technology? You want to make sure that you choose a professional who believes that there is always room for improvement and is always ready to learn more. Make sure your physical therapist has current and relevant training, but is still willing to say, gee, I don't know the answer to that question. Let me research this issue, or let me talk with a colleague. Our expertise is in providing pelvic floor rehabilitation, post-breast cancer rehabilitation, lymphedema rehabilitation, and oncology rehabilitation. Additionally, we are thoroughly trained and experienced in orthopedic rehabilitation, including spinal rehabilitation, post-total joint rehabilitation, and in treatment for back, neck, or other joint pain, as well as treating imbalance and treating those who need general strengthening. While we are specialists in the previously mentioned diagnoses, our therapists have a combined over 70 years of experience and are able to address a wide range of diagnoses. For those who want to learn more about our clinic, they can simply go to our website, www.dwpt.net, where they can learn more about our clinic. Or they can call us at 949-716-1800. We are happy to help because patients are the key to our success, and we achieve our goals one patient at a time.
And there you have it. It's simple to stay focused with the right professional. Would you like to learn more? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Thank you for your time.